When people talk about the lazy, hazy days of summer, they haven't seen this crew work. The sun has been relentless all week. This is the view down the hot and busy dock on Friday afternoon. I thought you'd like to see it before we head into the week. Monday sees work to replace the damaged south ramp tower in full swing. Piling work continues at both ends of the dock extension, here at the far end. At the shore end, work continues and discussions are taking place about the next steps. Tuesday is a busy day, with activity around the switch building and an unconnected routine run of the backup generator. In anticipation of tests by the Wolfe Islander IV, technicians from the vacuum mooring company Cavitec are present on the south finger. GIP continue restoration of the south ramp tower, and work will continue throughout the day. Leading eventually to an inspection by Aegis and MTO. Beside Ontario Street, Sousa Ready are engaged in pouring the latest section in the large sidewalk. Their work is always distinguished by fine finishing. In a break between concrete deliveries, there's always a chance to review last week's update.
Look at that! Oh yeah! Look at Joe! Look at that, bro! Look, Joe! Look at that! Look at those arms, Joe! Wow!
But make no mistake, this team is all business. Meanwhile, along the pile wall, drilling operations were taking place. We can close the day watching spoil removed from the lighting trench, removed from site. Wednesday would see final preparations for pouring concrete on the new ramp tower completed. The opportunity arose to conduct non-destructive testing of the steel beam that sits atop the tower. In mid-morning, as the Wolfe Islander IV called for testing, the concrete arrived. The delivery was a little unconventional, but tailored perfectly to the task. Along the piling line, the pace of progress doesn't slow at all. Thursday, amongst other things, is a day of deliveries. Large generators arrive, and so do many more sheet piles. Down at the new terminal, with one area poured already, Sousa are waiting for concrete to arrive. But not for long. Then it's all systems go. Up beside Ontario Street, Croon or RW Electric are continuing work on the installation of lamp posts.
I could say, would you mind doing that again? I didn't catch it, but I only get a very rude response.
You would.
Friday sees the concrete on the ramp tower curing, and a lot of activity at the shore end of the extension. Drilling to place micropiles continues further down the pile line. You can see how the drill head is cleared here. Material expelled from the head through the drill shaft is carried through the black hose to containment. Back closer to shore, more piles are being driven in, an activity closely monitored by the surveyors. The day also sees the return of a dive party. No time is lost in preparing a diver to enter the water. His task is unclear, and it's not long before he's back on dry land. We'll close Friday with a look at the other end of the extension, where grouting is taking place and toe pins are being installed. There are 2 grouting machines in action. All the effort is to prepare for the insertion of the toe pins. As each cycle is completed, the crane assists in moving the grout line. That brings us to Saturday. Working further out along the extension demanded an addition to the extraction hose. With it in place, the drill could be lifted once again into position. close the update this week with a look at the Wolfe Islander IV coming into the secondary dock during testing this week. Thanks for watching.